Alright guys, so this is the review of our big G12 stage light DMX 54x3 watts. So let's get to it and let's unbox it. So what we have here in the package is we have this. So this is the mounts of our light. It's a little bit better than my previous light, but it's only one piece. So we get this one. It's a little bit bigger. I mean, it's really bigger. And we have inside is our mount, screw mount. So just put it in the side. And here is our light. We just remove this and we get into the light itself. So it's bigger and it's longer. So my previous light, you already know how it looks like. And we have is our manuals. Put the manuals inside. See, these are manuals. It's in Chinese, so I don't really know how I would deal with that. So let's just move into the light itself. So first is so we have a very good LP001 logo over here, and on the other side is also LP001. So let me first put this here, and I'll just mount this one. It's so here it goes. Let me mount this here. Okay. Alright, so we'll just put this here. Let me just screw it. Alright, so this is how the power LED looks like. So let me turn it on and show you how this looks like when it's turned on. Pretty noisy fan. So we'll set its address into menu to solar green, so as you can see. We can change the color into the color that we like: green, blue, and white. There we go. So this is color white, as you can see. It's color white, and you can pretty see. And put it down. Let's do it again. Red. So this is color red, as you can see. That's color red. And this is color green. There's color green. See the triangle over there. And the good set is color green again. Green, so I'll just make it blue. This is color blue. See that? So it's really bright light. So let me show you how it looks like. That's its color temperature. So there you go. So that's your light. So let's change the program into like a CC. So I think this is sound activated. So that's when you do some color switching, as you can see. So it's much better than my light before. This one is much better, but they are both 54x3 watts. So that's the light. So thank you guys for watching, and that's my review of this 54x3 watts power LED. So thank you for watching.